Who received the Nobel Prize in Medicine this year 2021? David Julius and Adam Patapolin. They received the award for receptors of temperature and touch and heat, cold, and mechanical force that can initiate the nerve impulses. Dr. Julius did this experiment using chili peppers and spider venom, and Adam Patapolin did this with the sensors in our skin and internal organs that respond to cold and other medical stimuli. Who received the Nobel Prize in Physics the year 2020-21? Socorro Manabe, Collis Esselman, and Giorgio Parisi. They received the award for physical modeling of Earth climate, quantifying variability, and reliably predicting global. Giorgio Parisi, interplay of disorder and fluctuations in physical system from atomic to planetary scales. Who received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry the year 2020-21? Benjamin List and David W.C. Macmillan. They awarded jointly to Benjamin List and David W.C. Macmillan for the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. Who received the Nobel Prize in Peace for the year 2021? Maria Ressa and Dmitry Andreevich Muratov. This is awarded for them to the safeguard freedom of expression, which is a precondition for democracy and lasting peace. Maria Ressa belongs to Philippines and Dmitry Andreevich Muratov belongs to Russia. Which organization received more Nobel Prize for Peace? International Committee of the Red Cross. 102 times to 137 times the Nobel Prize laureates between 1901 and 2021, 109 individuals and 28 organizations. International Committee of the Red Cross got 3 times and Office of the United Nations High Commissioner got 2 times. Who received the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 2021? Abdul Razak Gurnah, for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration of the effects of colonialism and the fate of the refuge in the gulf between cultures and continents. Abdul Razak Gurnah belongs to England, and the Nobel Prize in Literature has been awarded 114 times to 118 times. Nobel Prize laureates between 1901 and 2021. Who received the Nobel Prize for Economic Science this year 2021? David Card, Joshua D. Angertz, Guido W. Imbens. They have provided us with new insights about the labor market and shown what conclusions about cause and effect that can be drawn from natural experiments. Which place gave the Nobel Prize for Medicine, Physics and Chemistry? Sweden. Which place gave the Nobel Prize for Peace? Norway. How many categories of Nobel Prizes are there? 6. They are medicine or physiology, physics, chemistry, literature, peace and economic science. Which country received more Nobel Prize? USA. Name the Indian origin person who received the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Har Gobind Khorana. What is the prize money of Nobel Prize winners 2021? 10 million Swedish kroner. This prize includes 10 million Swedish kroner, a gold medal and a diploma. Who is the youngest person to receive the Nobel Prize? Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai, at the age of 17, he received the Nobel Prize for Peace in the year of 2014. Who is the oldest person who received the Nobel Prize? John B. Goodenough. He received this award at the age of 97 for in chemistry in the year of 2019. Who is the only person to receive more than one unshared Nobel Prize? Linus Pauling. Linus Pauling received the prize twice, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry and Nobel Prize in Peace in the year of 1954 and 1962 correspondingly it was given to him. When the Nobel Prize was first awarded? 1901. 10th December, the anniversary of Nobel's death. Who was the first Nobel Prize winner? Swiss Jean-Henri Donat. Who won the first Nobel Prize in Asia? Sri Rabindranath Tagore. When the Nobel Prize was first awarded for economics? 1969. The first prize in economic sciences was awarded to Ragnar Frisch and Jan Tinbergen in 1969. The prize in economic sciences is awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Stockholm, Sweden. Who is the first woman to win the Nobel Prize? Mary Curie. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.